Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
This tutorial explains the only reliable method to use Sony XM5 headphones with a Ps5, a wired USB connection. You need the XM5, a USB-C to USB-A cable at least 1 meter long, and access to the Ps5 front USB-A port or the DualSense USB-C port. Ps5 does not support general Bluetooth audio for game sound, so wired audio is required for full game and chat output. Charge the headset before use, or keep it plugged in while playing to prevent battery interruptions. Start by plugging the USB-C connector into your XM5 and the USB-A end into the Ps5 front USB port or into a DualSense controller USB-C port if you prefer routing through the controller. Power on the headset. The console should detect a USB audio device. On Ps5, navigate to Settings, choose Sound, then Audio Output, and select USB headset as the output device. Finally, set output to headphones to all audio so that both game sound and chat go to the XM5. Test the microphone after selecting USB headset. If the XM5 mic is not recognized, open Settings Sound Microphone and choose Controller Microphone or an external mic instead. Wired USB reduces latency and allows the Ps5 to apply 3D audio and system effects when it detects a USB headset. If you hear low volume, raise game and chat sliders under sound settings and confirm the headset battery is charged. Play while plugged in to avoid automatic power off. Restart the console if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.